One thing you can easily do at home to lose weight naturally, no diet or exercise. This video is going to be all about sleep, an important factor that many people tend to overlook when it comes to weight loss. If you're already eating a nutritious diet and strictly following your workout routine but still failing on your weight loss journey, then you might need to look closer at your sleeping habits. Without sleep, you won't reap the rewards of your fitness efforts. And many people just aren't getting enough sleep every day. Adolescents need to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. But according to the US CDC, more than two-thirds of US high school students get less than 8 hours of sleep on school nights. Meanwhile, 35.2% of adults in the US sleep for an average of less than 7 hours per night, according to the National Sleep Foundation. This is an alarming issue since long-term sleep deprivation increases the chance of developing serious health conditions. According to the US CDC, sleep-deprived adults were more likely to develop chronic diseases such as heart diseases, diabetes, kidney disease, lung diseases, and depression. They were also more likely to be obese, physically inactive, and smokers compared to those who get enough sleep every night. And today, we're going to focus on the importance of sleep when it comes to weight. First, let's talk about how it relates to stress. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation is associated with stress, which is a factor affecting weight. Under stress, your body produces cortisol, or the so-called stress hormone that causes metabolism to slow down. And when you're trying to get in shape, you don't really want your metabolism to slow down because it simply means that you'll burn fewer calories. What you'd want is an active metabolism that effectively burns calories so they won't get turned into fat. What's even worse is that cortisol leads to an increase in appetite, and according to studies, people tend to crave fatty, salty, and sweet foods, all of which are unhealthy and make you gain weight. Before we proceed, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to see more informative videos about health, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we have a new upload. Another reason why sleep is so important for a healthy weight is because it plays a significant role in regulating the hormones ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin is the hormone that signals hunger, while leptin causes the feeling of fullness. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin and decreases leptin in your body, which simply means that your appetite and hunger will intensify. This typically leads to overeating, especially since being awake gives you more time to eat and binge. And just like the effect of stress, you'll also tend to crave high-calorie foods that are a culprit of weight gain. Moreover, studies have shown that inadequate sleep affects the part of the brain that influences how we view food. Long-term sleep deprivation will cause you to think about food as a positive reward, which increases your tendency to overeat. Overeating at night can disrupt sleep, so this becomes a never-ending cycle that causes nothing but worrying health problems. Lastly, let's talk about how sleep affects energy. Lack of sleep makes you less energized and weak, which is something that's not ideal when exercising. When you want to lose weight, you'd want to work out and stay physically active to burn as many calories as you can. So make sure to get enough sleep every night. That way, you'll be energized and be active throughout the day. This is beneficial not just for your weight loss, but for your overall health too. To sum it up, sufficient sleep is important for a healthy weight, since without it, you'll be more stressed, consume more high-calorie and unhealthy foods, and be less energized to work out and be active. Sleep truly brings endless benefits to our health, and it's amazing how getting enough sleep every night can help us achieve a healthy weight naturally. And speaking of natural weight loss, if you're looking for a simple way that can help you lose weight naturally, we recommend that you try the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This delicious blend of fruits, herbs, and tea extracts activates a powerful fat-burning hormone inside you that melts away all of your stubborn fat. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33 pounds of fat in just 30 days by simply drinking this ancient Japanese tonic daily before 10 a.m. One of them is Susan Atley, a 45-year-old mom of 3 who lost 33 pounds in just 28 days without doing any diet and exercise due to the osteoarthritis in her damaged knee. To see Susan's amazing transformation and for more info about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, check out the link in the description below. that's it for today. Share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, this may be a huge help to them. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we'll be sharing more helpful videos just like this with you very soon. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.